If you're frustrated because VLC Media Player just won't play YouTube videos anymore, maybe you keep seeing the dreaded "your input can't be opened" pop-up, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the most effective solutions that'll get VLC streaming YouTube vids again, whether it's a simple update or a few advanced tweaks behind the scenes. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to troubleshoot and fix this problem on your own, so let's jump right in. First up, the simplest and often the most overlooked solution, updating VLC itself. YouTube always tweaking its streaming protocols, which means VLC's inbuilt scripts need regular updates to keep up. So start by opening your VLC Media Player, then head up to the menu bar and click on Help, and you'll see Check for Updates. Give that a click. If VLC finds an update, and often it will, especially if you haven't checked in a while, just follow the prompts to install and, importantly, restart VLC afterwards. Just like updating your phone's software to keep your apps behaving, this step ensures VLC is equipped with the latest fixes to handle YouTube links. Now, if updating didn't solve it, let's get a bit more hands-on with VLC's network settings. Sometimes the issue is not just with compatibility, but how VLC fetches the data from YouTube. The first tweak here is to disable cookies forwarding. It sounds technical, but it's actually pretty straightforward. In VLC, click on Tools, then Preferences. Use the shortcut Ctrl+P if you like. In the bottom left, you'll see Show Settings. Select All so you see every option available. Now look at the left sidebar and navigate to Input/Codecs, then Access Modules, then HTTPS. Here you'll find an option for cookies forwarding. Uncheck this box and hit Save, then restart VLC. What we're doing here is preventing some cookies-related communication that YouTube might reject, clearing a common hurdle for streaming. Next, let's address possible buffering hiccups with network caching settings, especially useful if high-resolution videos keep stuttering or failing to load. Go back into Preferences and again pick All under Show Settings. Now head over to Input/Codecs and then Advanced. You'll spot Network Caching MS. The default is pretty low, just 300 milliseconds. Increasing this to 1000 or even 2000 gives VLC more time to buffer the video stream before playing it, kind of like extending the runway for a takeoff, making things much smoother. Save your changes and restart VLC once more. If you're still having trouble, there are a couple more general fixes to try. Sometimes the culprit is hardware acceleration. While it's designed to make playback more efficient on certain machines or with some graphics cards, it can introduce compatibility issues. To turn this off, go to Tools, Preferences, Input/Codecs, and set Hardware Accelerated Decoding to disable. It's a bit like switching from autopilot to manual if you find the default isn't working for your flight. Finally, if you've tried all of these and VLC still won't play YouTube videos, it's time for a reset. This wipes out any corrupted or conflicting settings and basically gives VLC a fresh start. In Preferences, look in the bottom left for Reset Preferences. Click that, confirm if prompted, and restart VLC. It's just like restoring factory settings on a device that's acting out. That's it. I hope this guide helps you get VLC playing YouTube videos reliably again. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you run into any odd errors or have questions, drop a comment below. I read and reply to as many as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials and media tips just like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.